Hi everyone, it's me, Yasmin and Cheryl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video is mag-unbox tayo ng package from YesStyle! Yay! So I received this package last Saturday, so nag-work siya ni Abu. This is my first free PR from YesStyle. Ito na akong bubuksan to. For that, if you want to become a YesStyle influencer, at gusto mo ring makareceive ng mga free products, as in libre talaga lahat, including the shipping fee, itong laman na to, libre, wala kang babayaran na kahit piso. I'm putting my reward link in the description box so you can check it now. And if you want to purchase any YesStyle product from YesStyle app, use my Rhea 1999. So by the way guys, this is a TikTok springtime jewelry box campaign. Buksan na natin to. Buksan natin siya. Ito sa inyo. Ito siya. Uy, may pa-love letter pa. Ito po. Ladong mat. So, basahin muna natin yung letter from YesStyle. Ay, shipping list. Let's go. So, first is freshwater barak pearl wing, white in one size. Ito siya. Hindi niya po. Isa lang siya. Saka sobrang liit. Wow. Wow. Oh. Second is pearl heart drop ewing gold in one size. Oh. Pwede ito pang party. Ang gundo. Guys, pag gusto niyo yung item na to, ilalagay ko sa description. Pang-aura siya. Fashion. Skincare, lahat-lahat. You can check. Hello, ang gundo. Lami ka also ang heart, parang in love. Next, ano siya? Wow. Susuotin ko rin ito. I can't wait na susuotin ko para sa mga next post ko. Para talaga to pang aura. Para sa mga mahilig mag-aura-aura dyan. This is perfect for you guys. Grabe, oh. Alloy hair cloth, long strap, gold in one size. This one. Kita nyo naman. Ako. Last but not the least is itong Fox Pearl hair clips. Set of 10 white in one size. One. 2, 3, oh, my favorite, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tatlo siya, oh. Tingnan nyo. Wait lang. Saan natin? Tatlo siya. Ito, tatlo. Thank you, yes, style. Grabe. Abangan niyo pa rin yung mga susunod na vlog ko, guys. It's all about yes, style. Ito na to. So, if yunaan mo any of this item na kuanggi, makita ninyo is nasa description box. And then, namitan ako, you can use my reward code para maka-discount mo. And then, if yunaan ka, mahimong yes sa influencer and to receive free product, as in wala kang babayaran kahit shipping free, kahit piso, wala talaga. Be a YesStyle influencer. So, that's it guys for our video for today. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo. I just want to say thank you to YesStyle kay kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi ako makatanggap ng mga free gifts katulad nito at sa mga susunod pa ng product review. Thank you so much guys, and thank you so much YesStyle for sending me these free products. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for more upcoming YouTube videos. Bye!